Hey guys, what's up? It is Alicia Jones. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Okay guys, so today I have a review on this hair that I've had installed. Now I've had this hair installed for about 3 weeks and I am getting ready to take it down to do a new style. I've been changing my styles up so much lately, but before I take my hair down, I wanted to come and do a review for you guys, okay? So by the time you see this video, it'll already be pre-recorded. So because I'm behind on my videos, y'all, I'm so behind. But I have been wearing the Sensational African collection, and this is the Jerry curl version, and I got the double pack, so it was $13.99 a pack. I got it in the color number 2. This is what it looks like, and it's the pre-looped hair. And I'm gonna insert the install video, and then I'll have it linked down below. But this is what it looks like, and it's 3 times more. So it was 3 little bundles in 1 pack, and this is what the hair looks like. Now this hair, this is what I'm about to get to with this hair. Now this hair I have not been wearing. This is just some hair that I had left over. So as you can see, it already has started to like frizz up just a little bit. Y'all see that? Now this hair has just been sitting off by itself. Now this hair, I'm gonna show y'all. Now you can see this is the front. Now the front, once I got towards the front, I started to pull the hair apart. Now I would recommend, if you're going to install this hair, I would say don't pull the hair apart, because the hair, it tangled quicker. And now I did it because it gives it a more natural look. I've been getting so many compliments on this hair. The look is more natural, but however, it takes away from the longer the hair, the longer that the hair lasts. Now this is the front, and as you can see, it's kind of tangled a little bit. This is the part I pulled apart, and then the back, it still kind of has that curl. You see what I'm saying? This is the part I did not pull apart. I didn't pull that apart at all. It's kind of almost similar to that. Y'all see that now? Okay, so that is one of the tips I have for the hair. Another tip I would have for the hair is, when you put it up at night, use a silk bonnet as opposed to a cotton bonnet. And I say that because with the silk bonnet, the whatever moisture the hair has, the hair will retain it. But with a cotton bonnet, the moisture will be gone, because the cotton sucks up all the moisture out of the hair, the cotton bonnet. So when I get my bonnet, I always get a silk bonnet. And one of the things that I didn't do is when I put my hair up, what I was doing is I was getting a head wrap, and the head wrap was cotton. That's one of the things that I did at night, and it was just a regular hair wrap. And this is what I put on the hair. Now I didn't do this every night, but I would do it every other night. Put this on my hair, and I just take it. But first, what I would do is take my shears. So before I would put any product on the hair, I would take the shears, and I haven't done this in probably like a week, and don't cut the whole strand. Just go in and cut those little straggly hairs, the little hairs that's hanging. Just cut those, because you don't want to be trying to moisturize and save no hair that's already matted. So that's another thing that I was doing right there. But I would recommend this hair, and it does come, the one that I got, the $13.99 with the times 3 in a pack. It comes like that, and then you can also get them separately. And I'll link down below where you can get them from. I think you can, I believe one that I know for sure, you can get them on Sam's Beauty. And this is the African collection, the pre-looped hair. Is from the makers of Expression, which everybody was rocking with at one point in time, you know, with the braids, the box braid, using them for box braid hair and stuff like that. But yeah guys, I didn't swim or anything with the hair. I did not get the hair wet. No, I take that back. I got caught in the rain a few times because umbrella sitting right by the door, and I would just walk out of the house without the umbrella. But yeah y'all, if you're going for a more natural look, you can pull the hair apart. Now doing that, another reason why I pulled the hair apart was because I was afraid that I was going to run out, because I had the 2 packs with the 3 bundles in each. But I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna run out of hair. That's another reason. But I also wanted that full big natural look. But if you want to preserve the hair a little bit more, I would say to just leave the hair as is. And guys, also this hair, it is 100% Kanekalon. Now sometimes I get hair that is a mixture of Kanekalon and Soyokalon, but this one is strictly Kanekalon. So I don't know if that has anything to do with how long it holds up as well. But when I had the go-go curl, I think that is a mixture of Kanekalon and Soyokalon. So that hair, it seems to last a little bit better. But of course, you guys, you know, this is synthetic fibers, so you can't, like, with synthetic hair, I try not to curl it too much. Like, does it say you can curl the hair? Okay, well this hair, you can't use any heat on it, but some hairs you can. But this one, you don't use any heat. When you wash it in cool, lukewarm water. And when you detangle the hair, when you're detangling the hair, you always want to detangle the hair from the ends first and then start up to the roots. You never want to start at the roots first and then work your way down. Now I'm gonna show y'all what happens to the hair when I pull it out. Now I saw a girl, when she pulled the hair apart, she put oil on it, and that helped a little bit. But now you see how big it got, and it looks super frizzy now, right? But you see, this one is a little bit more together, and then that one's a little bit more frizzy. Now that is what happens to the hair when you pull the hair apart. So if you're not gonna keep it in that long, then you can do that. But I like this hair, but I won't wear it again, because if I'm having crochet braids in, I want to have them in for probably 6 weeks max. And it's just so matted towards the front, and the back is like still put together. But yeah guys, and one thing that irks me with synthetic crochet hair is it soaks up so many odors. Like, if you frying some chicken that day, your hair gonna smell like chicken. If you go into a place like a casino or something that has smoke, your hair gonna smell like smoke. That's the only thing I don't like about crochet hair. But this hair, it is super affordable. I think I got a good deal for $13.99, 3 in a pack. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Please be sure to go check out that install video. It's really short. I tried to keep it short, sweet, to the point. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video, guys. If you're not subscribed, please make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below. If you have any more questions about this hair, please don't hesitate to ask. Let me know. Leave me a message down there. Go head over to my Instagram. Y'all go check me out over there. Say hi. Say hello. All right, guys. that's it. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.